Welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share the cards with you. We've got 4 tarot cards and 1 angel answer card. So the first one is the Knight of Wands, followed by the 7 of Cups. We then have the Page of Pentacles. And then finally, for the tarot cards, we have the Fool. And the angel answer card is Perfect Timing. So let's have a little look. The Knight of, you've got in here, you've got the Knight of Wands, you've got the Page of Pentacles, and you've got the Fool. Now, all 3 of those cards refer to change. Look, it's like, yes, we know that. We're going through loads of change at the minute. So all 3 of these are indicating change, 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 new doors opening, new levels opening up for us, new starts, you know, all of this sort of stuff, new opportunities, new things just coming. It just feels to be accelerating now, doesn't it? Now, with the Knight of Wands, the Knights come along when we're actually in the change. We are changing. It's happening right now. Now, with the Wands specifically, this could relate to business and enterprise, careers, jobs, training, retraining, that sort of thing. But it can also, for me as a reader personally, relate to your life purpose, your passion, what's in your heart and soul. So there is an element, I was just trying to tuning in there, and there is an element with this energy where you feel like you've escaped from something that was difficult, hard, challenging. It's a bit like thank God I got away from that, and I just about pulled through, and I've just about got through that. So there is this sense this week that whatever you're working on, whatever's moving for you, whatever you're moving through, you do feel a bit relieved and a bit like, oh God, yes. I'm really getting there now. It's happening. I'm moving. Also with the Knight of Wands, you get energy, you get forward movement, you get, it's almost like a rush of energy. So for some of you, things might be happening quickly this week. Things might be moving. All of a sudden, if there was any blocks or any hold up, it's like, here we go, off we go, charging ahead, as the Knight of Wands. So that's lovely, isn't it? I do feel, because this 7 of Cups is right between the Knight of Wands and the Page of Pentacles. So I personally feel that it's to do with your dreams, your goals, your desires, something, you'll know what this is about. It's something that's important to you, something that you've been working towards, something that's you've been focusing upon, your attention's been on, because this card and this energy can come along when we are focusing on our objectives, our goals, our dreams and desires, working our way towards them. So I do think it just feels really nice this week, does feel good. Now, with this energy, you can sometimes get where lots of things are happening because you've got the Knight of Wands. You might get this sudden rush, this forward push of motion. You've got the Page of Pentacles and the Fool, indicating that other new things are coming in for you this week as well. So with this energy, you can find yourself a bit like, oh, I'm not sure, got lots here. What's first? What's the priority here? What shall I work on first? So if you're stuck in any way with your, moving forward with your goals, what you should prioritize, where you should focus your time and effort and energy, then I would say it's about coming back to you. So do anything that allows you to realign to your higher self, get into that, let go of all the fear, which can sometimes come with the confusion, and get back to your place of love, your center, your alignment. So whether that's meditation, whether that's walking, singing, dancing, music, whatever that is, and that can sometimes help with that. We've got 2 cards now that indicate new starts and new beginnings. So first of all, the Page of Pentacles and the Fool. The Page of Pentacles comes along when something shifts. something changes in our world. Now, with the Pentacles in your physical material world, so whatever's happening this week, it will have a real impact on your life. It will make some sort of difference or have some sort of influence. The Pentacles can mean property, real estate, money, prosperity, wealth, but also like jobs and career, possessions, cars. So something new occurring here. Now the Pages can come along when we get maybe an insight or new information or the offer or the telephone call or the letter that changes things for us. So I'm just wondering if it's coming from outside. It can be coming from internally, but it can then have a very practical and real application in your life. So, for example, you go through an experience and you have an insight, you learn something new, and all of a sudden the clouds part and you can see clearly, and it's like, oh, God, that's what I was waiting for. Now I understand. Now I can proceed. So you might have one of those moments as well for some of you. So let me put him down there. And the Fool. New starts, new beginnings, new paths, new adventures. This is about new adventures. But in this adventure, you are able to put down a lot of stuff that doesn't work for you anymore. You're totally and completely done with it. And you are able to travel lightly on this brand new path. That's what the Fool is all about. But the Fool also talks about a leap of faith. So whatever is happening this week, there may be this where you just got to go for it. You've got to make that move. You've got to jump that jump. You've got to take that leap. And this energy is saying you've got to trust it. You've got to believe it is going to be okay. You are going to be all right. And in fact, it's going to be more than that, because this path promises freedom and liberation. And I spoke about freedom last week, didn't I? So, I think this is really important. For some of you, you are steaming ahead. You're in the change. For others, you get something new coming in this week. And they just want me to bring this in. Something new coming in this week, and it is absolutely perfect timing. It's like I like to say, bang on time. It's right on time. Perfect timing. So you're in amongst it, and there's something new dropping in here, and it is going to help your liberation and your freedom. But you might have to just trust and believe and have faith and go for it. But it's absolutely perfect timing. I hope it's a really good week, and thank you so much for watching.